Good morning friends, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing Lok Sabha, that is lower house, and it's also known as House of the People. So what exactly we have been given in the slides. These questions will help you a lot in cracking your examinations. Maximum questions will be repeated in examinations. So what exactly the questions will be raised in any kind of competitive exams? Let us see what has been given. Here initially the Lok Sabha, it is formed on 2nd of April in 1952. So I had already discussed Rajya Sabha, please go through that. This is one thing, that is Lok Sabha. It is formed on 2nd of April in 1952. As per the article 81 deals with the formation of this Lok Sabha. 14 May 1954, the name House of the People has been given by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. It is given as the House of the People, that is Lok Sabha, where you will have the strength of 545. So here the minimum number should attend the quorum of the Lok Sabha for the session. There should be a strength near about 1/10 of the members has to attend the meeting, then it can be succeeded. The final decision of the central budget is by Lok Sabha. So whatever the budget is initiated in the parliament, that is in Lok Sabha, that final decision has been taken by the Lok Sabha itself. And the duration and the term. So what exactly the duration? The total 80 to 90 days the session is presided annually. So normally in a year there should be near about 80 to 90 days we must have the meetings over there out of 365 days. The final decision of central budget, whatever the central budget, that final decision is taken by the Lok Sabha. The term of the Lok Sabha members, it is mandatory to remember, it is the members of the Lok Sabha is for the 5 years. It's not the Lok Sabha, that the members duration is for the 5 years. And the Lok Sabha may dissolve at any time by the President with the advice of the Prime Minister. So it has no life of the Lok Sabha. But in the case of Rajya Sabha, it is 6 years and it is a permanent nature. But in the case of Lok Sabha, it is a temporary nature. Here the term of Lok Sabha can be extended by 1 year at a time during the proclamation of emergency. So as you can see here, that Lok Sabha members can be retained for 1 year more during the proclamation of emergency, during the emergency period. As per 42nd Amendment in 1976, Lok Sabha was 6 years, but 44th Amendment they made it as 5 years. So what exactly to be remembered is, prior it was 6 years as usual with the Rajya Sabha. Now according to 44th Amendment they had made it as 5 years. So this is very important. You should remember the amendments perfectly. Strength of the house. We should know what exactly the strength of the whole house of the Lok Sabha. Here the lower house or people's house, it's also known as temporary house, are the same names. The member of Lok Sabha maximum for the Lok Sabha should be 552. Out of this, 530 from the states and 20 from Union Territories and 2 from Anglo-Indians. So you have to remember 552 is of total. The present strength is, as usual, it is 545. So 530 all from the states and Union Territories it is 13. Anglo-Indians they are 2. So these are all total strength. The maximum number of seats are from Uttar Pradesh itself. So we should remember the Uttar Pradesh has got, even Rajya Sabha it is 31 seats. In the case of Lok Sabha it is 80 seats have been taken from Uttar Pradesh. And the presiding officer who exactly sits over this meeting, who head this meeting, that is, we should remember, maiden woman to be the member of the opposition in the Lok Sabha is Sonia Gandhi. As usual, you can see the figure right side. The first woman to be the member of the opposition in the Lok Sabha is Sonia Gandhi. The session of the Lok Sabha is headed or presided by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. At present, we have the Om Birla is the guy. He is a Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Prior, Meera Kumar was present. So, whatever the sessions will be held, that session will be headed by whom? That is headed by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. In the absence of the Speaker, Deputy Speaker will be taken. If both Speaker and Deputy Speaker is absent, then the panel speakers will preside over it. This panel speaker consists of near about 6 members. So, among them one will be the head. So, you should remember the sequence, what exactly the procedure to preside over the meetings. So, here the first Speaker of Lok Sabha, G.V. Mavlankar, is the guy who was the initial and maiden Speaker of the Lok Sabha. And female Speaker, that is Meera Kumar, as you can see right side, she was the first maiden Speaker of Lok Sabha. The Speaker of Lok Sabha addressed his letter of resignation to the Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Obviously, if the Speaker wants to resign, he has to send that resignation letter to his subordinate next to him. That is, Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha is the guy for whom he has to send that resignation letter. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha can be removed by a resolution of the Lok Sabha passed by a majority of the members of the House. So, if the Lok Sabha wants to remove the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the members of the Lok Sabha, whoever is there, with the majority of the members of the House, the Speaker can be removed from this post. And age limit, exactly what the age limits are. The power to appoint the nominates for Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha, that power is vested with whom? President of India, who has the power to appoint the nominates for Anglo-Indian community into the Lok Sabha. The total of 2 members will be nominated. We knew that 12 members to the Rajya Sabha and 2 members of Anglo-Indians to the Lok Sabha is nominated by the President of India. As you can see, who all are the list of the presidents, from Rajendra Prasad to Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. After this, Ramnath Kovind has come. Now, the minimum age limit for the election to the Lok Sabha should be, minimum one must be 25 years of age and more. The finance bill of Indian government is presented in, initially this finance bill of Indian government is presented in the Lok Sabha, and then further post assent of this house will be further proceeded to various places. The term of the Lok Sabha can be extended by 1 year at the time of emergency, that's already discussed. I request you guys, once you go through my playlist, you will find maximum 800 question papers from various examinations. Those question papers will help you a lot in understanding maximum questions. The joint session of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in India, that is, Speaker of the Lok Sabha will preside over the meetings of the joint sessions. Among them, the Lok Sabha members as well as Rajya Sabha members will attend, and for all those people, the Speaker of Lok Sabha will preside over the meeting. A bill presented in Parliament becomes an act after the President has given approval. So, here the President, once the President gives approval, then the bill presented in the Parliament becomes an act. So, at the end of the day, the President has to give the permission to get the bill as an act. A bill may be introduced in either house of the Parliament. That bill can be introduced in Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. The Speaker can stop a member of a Parliament. So, the Speaker has got a right to stop a member of Parliament from speaking and let another member speak. This phenomenon is yielding the floor. As usual, while someone wants to tell something, the Speaker has got a right to stop their communication and let other members speak. This phenomenon is known as yielding the floor. So, he has a right to stop that conversation and give the chance to others. That is known as yielding the floor. You should know this terminology. It is very important. Next we have the two states having the highest representation in Lok Sabha, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. In these two states, highest representation in Lok Sabha, we can see that. The first midterm election for Lok Sabha were held in 1971. The midterm election for Lok Sabha were held. The speaker's vote in the Lok Sabha is called casting vote. As you can see how whatever the vote we are casting, we are utilizing is known as casting the vote. In this house, the speaker can utilize his vote in Lok Sabha, that is known as casting vote. The union budget is always presented in first in, so whatever the union budget, initially that budget is presented in Lok Sabha itself. The Council of Ministers of Indian Union is collective responsible to the Lok Sabha. Here the Council of Ministers of Indian Union is the collective responsible to whom? That is for the Lok Sabha. Here the pro tem speaker, what exactly the pro tem speaker stands? The oath ceremony of members and speaker is the pro tem speaker will officiate. So here the oath ceremony of members and speaker will be at his presence. That pro tem speaker will take the oath of those members. The decision over the bill, whether it is liquid or not, is decided by whom? That is decided by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, whether the bill is the liquid or whether it is not. The joint session of the Parliament presided by the, as usual I had told, this joint session is headed by or presided by whom? That is Speaker of Lok Sabha. The suspension of the members of the Lok Sabha by Speaker. So here the suspension of the members can be made by the Lok Sabha Speaker. He has a power to suspend the people. The allocation of seats in Lok Sabha is based on 1971 census. According to 1971 census, the allocation of seats in Lok Sabha is based. That is very important, and I request you guys to message me on my mobile, that is 7667302252. I'll provide you 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Feel free to call. The speaker's vote in the Lok Sabha is known as casting vote. It's already discussed. The Speaker of Lok Sabha can resign his office by addressing his resignation letter to whom? Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. The first speaker against whom a motion of no confidence was moved in the Lok Sabha was G.V. Mavlankar. We learnt G.V. Mavlankar was the first speaker, but against whom a motion of no confidence was moved in the Lok Sabha is also very important to remember. The Speaker of Lok Sabha can be removed from his office before the expiry of his term if the Lok Sabha passes a resolution to this effect. So if the Speaker of Lok Sabha wants to, if the House wants their Speaker to resign, then the Lok Sabha passes a resolution to this effect and can be removed. The decision of the money bill is done by whom? That decision is done by the Speaker. The Speaker died in the power during the post. While he is having that post, that Speaker died in the office, that is GMC Balayogi. He is the youngest one who was there in office and he was died during that post. The number of Lok Sabha members who can table a no confidence motion against the council of members is, to pass this no confidence motion, minimum number should be 50 members to cooperate, then only no confidence motion can be passed. So these are the few questions which were compiled from various sources. If there is any discrepancy, please comment me, and I request you guys to share it to maximum people. Please spread this channel maximum. I think there is only one channel like this. You will find maximum information and question papers among all the channels. So cooperate me in succeeding. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life from a retired naval sailor.